It's black as shit. And welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to sit down and do a semi talk through with you guys. Came across this palette here. The brand I believe is BYS, and this is the Smokey on the Go palette. And on the back it also tells you guys like the colors, and it also comes with like a mirror, which is up here at the top, and it also comes with the eyeshadows and like little brushes. So we're gonna try it out. Also, I found this palette too. This one was like $6. I also found this one as well, which is super cute. This one was like $7, and both of these palettes are kind of reminiscent to me of like the Urban Decay palette. And as I mentioned, it has like the eyeshadows on the back, and it also comes with the mirror here, and then it also has the eyeshadows here. So I'm super excited to try these out, and I just want to see how pigmented they are. But for this tutorial, I want to do a black smoky eye for you guys. So I'm going to, of course, be using this palette. This one here. I'm going to go into the Nubian 2 palette. And I am going to take Madagascar, which is this light brown shade here, into the crease area. I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to take Kenya, which is this dark chocolate, gorgeous dark brown shade, and I'm going to basically build this up because we're doing a smoky eyeshadow look. So you want to build the colors up. You don't want to go straight into black. You don't want to go down that route. You don't want to go down that route. And also, guys, if you guys see like white stuff on my face, don't worry, it's the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. So when you put some on, especially if you put a lot on, it makes your like kind of like the milk of magnesia. Like it makes your skin white. Like you can tell, you have primer on, baby. I'm gonna go into Midnight to build that crease up and to build the lid up, and then I'm also gonna put Galaxy on the actual lid. I just dropped it. I'm gonna put Galaxy on the lid. Galaxy is the darkest out of all of the colors, so that's probably what I need, and it has like sparkles on it, so it's not bad. I like Galaxy. It's giving me my black that I want. Galaxy is hitting, honey. It's blackish. Galaxy is hidden. Like, it's super dark. And it's definitely buildable. Next, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush into the Nubian 2 palette. And I'm going to go back into Madagascar, which is that light brown shade. And just clean that up because you don't want any harsh edges. Not a good look. Coverage, so I'm going to be using the matte and poreless in the color 355. I'm just gonna take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. Next, I'm going to use a combination of setting powders. I'm going to use my go-to, which is the Mercier translucent loose powder. This is in medium deep. Use this one. My holy grail, which I love, and you can get this from Walmart or CVS. This is Airspun. This is the translucent extra coverage powder. Go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm actually going to spice this up a little bit. This blue shade here, put that into the inner corner.